Hello, welcome to your benefits overview. And so when you end up in this page, you're going to want to scroll down. I'm going to explain to you the benefits that you're being offered. This first video, we're going to go over your vision, life, and long-term disability benefit. You're going to want to click here. That's going to pull up this sheet right here. I'm going to go over this with you, and there's going to be more information on the vision benefit just to make things a little more clear for you. Now, what you're being offered, the vision, life, and the disability benefit, those benefits are at no cost to you. So your employer, which is El Centro Pharmacy, they will pay 100% of that for you. So therefore, you do not need to pay any of that from your pocket. Now, the other benefit, which is the health insurance, that I'm going to discuss with you on the next video. That's when you scroll down, you're going to see the next video that I will discuss. In that video, we'll go into specifics on that. But these three benefits you're going to get at no cost. The vision benefit is going to be through Blue Shield of California. And for that benefit, you will only pay a $10 copay for your exam. So for your eye exam, when you go in, you will have to pay $10. And then if you're going to get a pair of glasses, you will pay a $25 copay for that, and that gives you an allowance of up to $150 for your frames. Now, the lenses you can choose, there's a variety of lens options, and you're going to click on this other one here, and you're going to be able to check and see exactly what it covers. Now, you're going to notice there's two grids here. One of them says by network providers, the other one says when provided by a non-network provider. I would suggest you use a network provider because you're going to pay a lot less when you go to an in-network provider. If you see here it says 100%, that means that Blue Shield will cover 100% of any of these items, and they will cover up to a maximum of whatever the amount you see here on the right hand side. If you go to an out of network provider, they will pay significantly less, so that's why we suggest you use your network providers instead. So always when you go in, you need to ask if they're in the network, not if they will take the insurance, but if they are in the network. That's going to be a key word for you. So that's as far as your vision benefit, that's what you're going to get. As far as life insurance, your employer will be giving you $30,000 of life insurance. That's also going to be through Blue Shield of California. And so again, $30,000, that's what they're going to provide for you. Now, that's not a large amount of life insurance, but it's enough for any burial expenses, any final expenses. If you are concerned with and you want to have more life insurance, you can absolutely get more. And if you want to talk to us about that, you can go ahead and click the contact us button, and if you have any questions, we can contact you and set up an appointment and get you covered for a larger amount. As far as long-term disability, so this is going to be through MetLife, so it's a different company than Blue Shield of California, but that's who is going to administer those benefits. Now, when I say long-term disability, you can get the benefit for up to 5 years. And the other thing is, it doesn't matter where you get hurt. You can get hurt. It doesn't matter if you get hurt on the job, off the job. Maybe you're at home, you fall from a tree because you're pruning the tree, or you slip and fall and you can't work anymore. So your long-term disability, after 90 days of being disabled and not being able to perform your usual occupation, you will start getting up to 60% of your income, of your monthly gross income. Now, the first 2 years, it says on here 2 years own occupation. That just means, let's say for example, you are a pharmacy tech. If you cannot perform after 90 days your usual occupation, which is a pharmacy tech, then you will start getting the benefit. You will start getting the 60% of your income, up to $6,000 a maximum. But if you can't perform your usual occupation, the first 2 years you will collect the disability payments. After 2 years, it switches to any occupation. So after year 2, if you can perform any occupation, it doesn't have to be a pharmacy tech, it can be any occupation, then you will stop collecting the disability payments if you can perform any occupation. If you cannot perform any occupation, let's say you're totally disabled, then your benefit will continue for up to 5 years. Okay, so that's pretty much it for these benefits. You will need to make sure that you go down here. There is a benefits information form. Please fill this out completely. There's a question here that asks for your beneficiaries for life insurance. You need to add the name of the person here and their relationship to you. And so the beneficiary is basically the person that you want the money to go to in case you pass away. And please make sure you fill out the rest of the information. If you have any questions, ask your administrator, whoever is in charge there, supervisor, and they might be able to clarify it for you. If not, you can always shoot us a message here by contacting us, or you can send me a text message at this number here, or a phone call. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.